Greetings from beautiful Bentonville, Arkansas. And this place is incredible. The amount of trail is unbelievable. But beyond that, the manner in which it's built, the amount of jumps and the way they're laid out, and just the innate safety and everything is unlike any place I've ever ridden. And for me, my main focus right now is the Arkansas Enduro Series. There's no better place to prep for that 5-race event than right here in Northwest Arkansas. Man, it's just cool on top of cool on top of cool here. Like a kid again. So rad. Do it again.